Hey everyone, it's Phil here and you're watching STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. Another update on the Parramatta Light Rail, this time at the Parramatta Square Light Rail stop. Stop name signs have been installed. Sorry, 1 second. Yep. CCTV installed. The passenger information display screens on both platforms. Seats. Spots for Opal readers. Zoom out a bit more. I think this thing's the back of possibly another information screen. Just gotta get a photo from here. Bins as well, which is good. Now, without getting flattened by this van, just give you all an overview of the light rail stop from this angle. Beautiful, very good, all coming together. Can't wait until trams start testing and ultimately entering service. But anyway, that's all for this update. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, favorite the video, all that good stuff, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now.